Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable show pickers called magnifiers on chart on TradingView account. So first we're going to go to the TradingView app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the menu section found at the lower right corner. Then next you're going to click on settings, which is found at the top right corner of the app. Then next click on chart. So as you can see, the show pickers called magnifiers are turned off, so you're going to turn them on. So from now on the chart, you're going to see pickers called magnifiers. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. As I told you, this is a very helpful trading app, so make sure you download it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.